This is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. Very easy to use. And today let me show you how to use it. So here you have the photo to video option. You have the video translation, meaning you upload a video and you can pretty much turn it in any language. You have the avatar shots by just entering a prompt, be able to create different types of pictures. You have the clone yourself, as you can see here, avatar, design avatar, a bunch of different things you can see here. And also you can tap on see all option to see all the other features that they offer on this AI platform here. So it's all based upon what you want. In the video section, this is pretty much where you will find all the videos that you have created on the application. Here is an example of a video that I've pretty much generated on the application. And once you have generated a video,
the people who are crazy.
once you have generated a video, be able to share it, download it, and as well go ahead and edit it. So that's pretty much it. And if you want to use, let's say for example, the photo to video option, just tap on it, select the uploaded photo into your prompt, and you're pretty much good to go. As well, you have other options. These are pretty much movements, emotions, and so forth, which can pretty much add to your image, expressions, and so forth. And down here, so you can also add more as well. So the advanced settings, if I do scroll down, here you have the faster mode. If you want a better quality, you have to get your subscription. And as well, if you do want to get the 180p resolution, you have to get your subscription. So as you can see here, just select the photo. If you want to use one of your stock photo, you can go ahead with that. Or if you just want to upload your own photo, you can tap on the plus icon here. As well, you do have the switch audio option where you can upload your own voice or you can record something right away. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. So the other features, you have the diamond icon here. You can pretty much tap on this here. As you can see, it does give you the option to get a weekly plan, monthly plan, and an annual plan. You can pretty much see all the prices. You have 10 USD, let's say 30 USD per month for this one, and let's say 280 USD per year for this. And it pretty much tells you what you get in for once you do purchase your subscription, no watermark, and so forth. So that's really pretty much it. Some of these features you'll be able to use for free, but not all of them. The video generation, however, takes very long. I do think they should fix that with this application. I'm not sure why does it take that long, but yeah, it's gonna take a good while. So yeah, also have this avatar section here. You can go ahead and create your avatars as well. The video option is pretty much where you find all the videos that you have created on the platform. You can tap on it to watch it. You can tap on the three lines over here to delete it. And as well, if you can tap on it,
the people who are crazy,
share with our friends and family and download it as well. And you have different section at the tops here, you have instant highlights and so forth. So this is pretty much it creating, pretty much explains itself, guys. So all I have to do is just read the caption below each of these features and you're pretty much good to go. And some of them may say upgrade to unlock, then that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if I missed anything at all in this tutorial or you still don't understand something, just let me know in the comment section. And as well, down here you can just enter a prompt and you pretty much can go ahead and generate your video. So let's say let AI pick for you. Yeah, let's say for example this here. Let's tap on the R icon here. And if you do wanna enter a additional information, you can do that as well. And as well, you can swipe across to see the other options. You have upload your own avatar. You have see all avatar, which you can pretty much add here. But yeah, that's really pretty much it for the application. Very easy to use, very straightforward. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.